In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your projects in Notion. We'll move from a blank slate to a ready-to-use project system using Notion's built-in templates, and I'll show you how to tailor it so it fits your workflow perfectly. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser. Once you're on the home page and signed in, head to the Marketplace. Depending on your interface, you might see it in the main navigation or under Templates. The Marketplace is where Notion collects ready-made setups built for common workflows, so you can get started fast without building everything from scratch. Inside the Marketplace, look for the search bar and type Project Management. This will surface a range of templates from simple task boards to more robust roadmaps and team hubs. Take a moment to skim the results. Click into any template that catches your eye to open its preview. The preview page usually explains what the template includes, shows screenshots of the layout, and highlights features like a task database, status pipelines, calendar views, or timeline charts. Think about your needs. Do you want a lightweight Kanban board, or do you need milestones, priorities, and timelines? If you're new to Notion, choosing a clean, straightforward template can make onboarding easier. When you've found the one that fits, click it and then click Add. The button may read Add to Workspace or use this template, depending on the listing, but the idea is the same. You're importing that setup into your own Notion. If prompted, pick the workspace where you want it to live. Notion will create a new page with the template structure, including any databases and views, so you can start working right away. With the template added, feel free to customize everything. Rename the main page so it reflects your project or team. Open the tasks database and adjust properties to match your process. Common fields include status, priority, assignee, due date, and effort. Edit the status options so they mirror your stages like backlog, in progress, review, and done. Switch between different views such as board, table, calendar, or timeline, and rearrange them so your most used view appears first. Remove properties you don't need to keep things clean and add any that are missing, like tags or estimated time. You can also create task templates for recurring work, tweak filters to show only active items, and color code statuses for quick scanning. If you collaborate with others, adjust sharing to ensure the right people have access. That's it. Your Notion project system is ready. Explore the template, make small improvements as you go, and let the tool adapt to your workflow rather than the other way around.